First ski tour in Norway. In Norway, you know, a lot of the routes you start at sea level and you go up to the summit. First river crossing in Norway. Looking tricky. Halfway there, Adrian is setting the tracks in. One, Sydalsfjellet. Yeah. If you like that adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and keep your eyes peeled. We've got more to come. This is only day one. Day one, well done team. First day in Norway.
You alright?
You alright? More bushwhacking continued. Day two. So here we are in Solbakken. And we're getting ready. We're doing a little different version of Varden today, coming up the southwest face. So there she is, Spisstind. That's our objective today. Looks pretty windy up there. We're still pushing through. So this is where we were on day one, skiing Varden, and we came up the north side to ski the south side. So now we're on the south side. Grapple storm, and there's yeah, beautiful. Keep a high line. It's a bit slabby now. Last skin of the day, back to the car. If you like this adventure, you'll like the first day one. I'm going to put the link below. And what an amazing another day, a total different day, but an amazing second day. A little bit of a walk with the team this morning up to the snow line, and our objective of the day is to ski to the point of Sydalsfjellet. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, like every pronunciation in Norwegian. Oh, nice warm up.
Good morning.
Ah, Dave, welcome back. Well done, Team Norway.
More summits here.
Day 3. Pouring up with our ski line behind, with the most amazing view. We've made good use of that, put some powder turns in. We're heading home. Drop it in!
Moment.
Home, James. Ah, day 3.
Same again tomorrow.
Same again tomorrow. Can you see that there? It is dried cod. So it's quite a Norwegian tradition, that. Whoa! Yeah. Day 4 on the snow, the 4th adventure here in Norway, and yet again a slightly different day. We had an hour and 15-minute drive, and we're in Lumstead. We're heading our way, and our objective today is a peak at 700 meters called Pilian. I can definitely pronounce that one today. Our decision making today is it's really windy and the snow and viz has sort of picked up. We had a rest day yesterday, and Huli is what we know. We've all just made that decision. It's time just to turn around and go back. This is day 4, so I'll put the playlist down below so you can see day 1 when we're skiing powder. Then we've got day 2 on the east side of Varden, and then included a summit. Day 3 was immense when Dave the drone was in the air. Day How far can we get? The woods and to the sea. That's enough for me today, just under 700 meters.
Hey, just having a rest. Lovely view. Off into the sunset. Good morning.
Bushwhacking city. Day 5. Let's go. We're going for our objective today is actually Rundjkellet. Probably pronounced that completely wrong. When it clears up, you've got the most amazing views. Like, come in. All right. Oh, just waited 43 minutes for weather to improve.
Yeah, blue sky, blue sky, blue.
Feeling a bit wiped out from my crash, so just slow down, looking forward to getting back safely. It's so good to be out. I've had 3 days inside just sort of resting and getting rid of my whiplash from the crash that I had. In the meantime, the boys did an amazing ascent up the Big G, so keep watching and I'm going to show you some videos and footage on that. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this adventure, and if you do have any questions, just pop them in the comment below.
So here we are, it's just me and Adrian left. We're heading for the big one up there. Geitgaljettind. Holy moly. What a view. Here he comes, the mountain machine. Those reflections down there are just stunning. Hitting just a bit of cruisy skin terrain here, just done a bit of a gully. It's quite a summit. Cheers, buddy. We did it! Geitgaljettind! Skied off the summit, tick! Straight to the beach, just the way we like it.